1928 Singer sewing machine. The model number is 29K51, the serial number Y5677016. It is a hand operated or treadle operated machine. This is the industrial size meant for the cobbler, shoemaker. It sews leather. It is complete. Everything on it is in working condition. Give a quick demo as well as a walk around on this machine. The belt could use changing or tightening, but it does currently operate with the treadle, and most importantly it operates the machine itself. The bobbin does spin. Everything works. I just replaced this guide piece here. The treadle works as well. Again, this machine is sturdy. It's in used condition. You can see there's some wear on the paint. But again, everything does move where needed for the adjustments. So everything does adjust well where needed. This side, the emblems are in better shape, as you would imagine. Singer Manufacturing Company. Again, this machine's from 1928. It's still very usable today. Comes with the stand, which has been well repainted, well done. Again, this is a machine for a boot, so you can see how a boot would sit well there while you work on its partner or the next boot up top. Again, it would slide on. The advantage of this machine is it's on base right here, so you can work on the boot. This wheel is removed and can also be placed here for front operation. Right, so this is in excellent working condition. Includes the stand. Thanks for looking. Singer 29K51, 1928.